Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about toothpaste. So toothpaste is very important and it's something you should have in your preps. But is it just for cleaning teeth? No, it's primary for cleaning teeth, but it's got some other neat skills as well. All right, so I got a little list over here I want to read off to you and think about it, and these may be reasons why you may want to store extra toothpaste. You can use it for cleaning your silver and brassware and stuff. It works really good for cleaning that. If you have little kids and they like to draw on the walls with crayon, it helps remove crayon from painted surfaces. It also works on the coffee tables. You got water rings on the coffee tables. It will help remove that. It has been used to remove stains from clothing. One of the things is for the ladies, buffing your fingernails. A little toothpaste and a little buffing rag, and it takes care of your fingernails as well. Now, there's one other one here. Let's see it. I'm going to check it out here. All right. Got to get to the list here. All right. Your bathroom fixtures, so all the knobs and stuff in the shower and on the sink and the toilet bowl handle and stuff, use it for polishing those up. It removes soap scum. So in the sink, in the shower, a little toothpaste on a rag, and it cleans up the soap scum. If you need to clean the toilet quickly and you're out of cleanser, give a little squirt in there and use the toilet brush, not the toothbrush, the toilet brush, to clean the toilet. All right. Defogging a bathroom mirror. A little bit of toothpaste on a damp towel, wipe down the mirror, work in small circles, allow the toothpaste to dry, then buff dry with then buff it out with a dry cloth. You got tennis shoes and stuff, so you got white, especially the white tennis shoes. So you get the dirt and stuff on it, a little bit on a brush, and it cleans it right up. It also removes scuffs on leather and vinyl shoes. Jewelry, another little metal, you can just clean your jewelry with it. Covered copper and silver pots already. Piano keys. Well, piano keys are ivory. Teeth, elephant teeth, ivory. All right, now if you have on your iron, get some gunk on the bottom of the iron and stuff, you use it to clean it off. This is one I haven't checked out yet, but it's one of the ones that are out there saying the headlights. You get a little road dirt and stuff and everything in the headlight, minor scratches, and toothpaste and sponge will you can buff out the scratches and everything, clean up the headlights. This other one says, on your cell phone, do the same thing on your cell phone. I'd be a little leery about that one. But also curling irons and the flat irons for hair and stuff. You get gunk on those sometimes from trying to flatten out the curls or putting curls in, and the hair is not totally clean. You got leftover hairspray or whatever in it. It works good for removing that. So there are a lot of uses for toothpaste other than just cleaning your teeth, and that is another reason why you make sure you have plenty of it in your preps. All right. All right, before I take off here, I want to remind everybody our 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on. And you can check the rules on it. I'll put the link down below in the description for that video. All right. Now remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, skills. Why? This is why.